Hi St George's School and welcome to week 3 of the Luna Park workshops. This week you'll be doing a Luna Park road movie. So each group will have a map like this to make their road movie. It's not a movie as such, more a short play where the characters in the story travel along an illustrated map route of Portsmouth. So you will be firstly adding pictures to the map. Secondly, writing lines of the short play and sticking them on the map. And lastly, performing the play. So for the first part of this workshop, you will need a dinosaur template, a ready printed out sunset, and a black marker pen. Okay, so the idea is to create a dinosaur silhouette skyline. So you've got like a black dinosaur silhouette against a sunset sky. So there are 4 sunsets to choose from. So what you need to do is get your marker pen and your dinosaur template and just line it up over the printed sunset. And then what you want to do is just draw around the template. Make sure that you've got enough space around the dinosaur just to create impact. So you might want a bit of space above his head. Then take away your template and then you're using your black marker pen just to make him silhouetted against the sky. So this is what the Luna Park dinosaur would have looked like years ago on Southsea Common as the sun was setting. Huge, great big dinosaur silhouetted against the sky. Take some time over your filling in, because just to make it as black and matte as you can. And there's your dinosaur silhouette. So then you need to discuss with your teacher and your class where you're going to put your dinosaurs on the map. So have a think about the route that they're going to be on, in and around Portsmouth. They might be right on the edges of the map, they might be in the middle. So agree with, as a team, where you're going to put your dinosaurs. I'm going to put mine on there. So for this part of the activity, you will need a black marker pen and a piece of paper cut out like a speech bubble. So then you need to think as a group of your storyline, what your play is going to be about. And so all these little script lines are written out on these speech bubbles and then they get stuck onto the map as well. So have a think about where you're going to put your script lines. You need to decide as a group where they're going to go. They might just roughly follow the route. And then the final part is to perform the play. So you need to decide who's going to have a speaking part and rehearse it a few times. And then if you're really brave, then record it on video. Thanks St George's School and see you soon.